Hi guys, it's a sunny morning here on the beach and we are ready to do some reading. We are going to read Pete the Cat today, and it is Pete at the beach. And you can see Toby is at the beach. He's already done some swimming, so it's kind of windy. Let's see if we can do this. All right, it's a hot day. Pete the Cat goes to the beach with his mom and his brother Bob. Let's go in the water, Bob says. Maybe later, says Pete. Pete makes a sandcastle. His mom helps him dig. Here comes a big wave, and there goes Pete. I think Pete might be afraid of the water. Let's see. Pete doesn't have a very happy face to be at the beach. Oh no! Where did the sandcastle go? Bob rides a big wave. Wow, says Pete. That looks like fun. Pete and his mom take a walk. They find seashells. They see a crab. Pete's feet get wet. His feet feel cool, and the rest of him is hot. And that's what Toby does. His feet get wet, and his feet feel cool, but the rest of him doesn't stay hot because he likes to go swim in the water. It's time for lunch. Pete eats a sandwich. He drinks lemonade. The sun is very hot, and Pete is very, very hot. Bob is wet and cool. Let's play ball, says Pete. No thanks, says Bob. I want to surf. Pete throws the ball. His mom catches it. Let's get our feet wet, says Mom. Well, okay, says Pete. The water is cool. It feels good. Pete goes in deeper. Ooh, he's getting adventurous. Bob waves to Pete. I want to show you how to surf, he yells. Pete does not say maybe later. He says, let's do it. So Pete is now excited and being adventurous and having a little fun. Good job, Pete. Lie on the board, says Bob. Pete lies on the board. Paddle, says Bob. Pete paddles out, and he waits for a big wave. There's a lot of waves here today because it's very windy. Uh-oh, a big wave is coming. Stand up, says Bob. Pete stands up. Wow, I'm so proud of Pete. Then Pete falls down. It was scary, but it did not hurt. Try again later, says Bob. Pete wants to try again now. Oh my gravy, he likes it. Pete lies down again. He paddles out and waits. Here comes a wave. Pete stands up. This time, he rides the wave. Good job, says Bob. Check him out on that big wave. Do you notice his little swimming shorts? They have fish on them. It's kind of funny. Pete wants to surf all day. Bob does too. So they take turns. Pete and Bob rock and roll with the waves. What a great day. It's okay to be afraid, but it is more fun to surf. The end. That was a fun story. So it's okay to be afraid of things. You can try new things. Don't try anything dangerous, but just go for it. All right, guys, I hope you're having a great day. Toby's gonna go for a swim and run around, and we'll look for some shells. So hopefully we'll have some fun pictures to add on to this story. Love you all. Mwah. Peace out.